I'm Derek with Morris Products, and today we'd like to go over with you our new all-in-one area light. Morris Products item number 74700D. We're going to unbox this product for you today. For Morris area light 74700D, it is going to be, like I said, an all-in-one fixture where inside of the box we have your mounting, your twist lock photo control, your shorting cap, fixture, and an interchangeable lens system. The box has all the details that you need on the fixture. It is a wattage and color selectable fixture as well. In the box, you have your additional lenses, Type 4 and Type 5 lens. The fixture does come with a Type 3 lens on it. You also get your bolt for your mounting hardware for the universal mount. This universal mount can go onto a square pole, round pole, slip fit mount, or mount directly to a wall. You do get your twist lock LED photo control, your shorting cap if you choose not to use the photo control, and of course the fixture itself. So on your fixture, it does come with your twist lock receptacle on the top of it, and you do have the Type 3 lens that comes on the fixture. In order to change out the lens, you do have the push tabs. Simply push those in, fold down, push down the hinge, and remove your lens. The lens does have 4 screw studs that do line up, and it is magnetized, so if you're up in the air and changing out the lens, it doesn't fall down on you. With your locking tabs, you simply push them back in to secure the lens back into place. You do also have small slotted screw. If you turn it 45 degrees, it does lock the tabs in place as well. You do have your 2 knockouts here. One is to install a motion sensor, and the other, you open this up and it has your switches for your color and wattage selectability. This is the Morris 74700D, all-in-one. Everything your contractor could need to put on their service truck or for you as a distributor to put on your shelf. Thank you.